You got him?
What happened last year?
Coming into the East-West shootout, obviously the big story this week is going to be which Lawrence brother is going to win. But everyone else pretty much being injured, all the green team, Thrasher's injury last week, it's basically just down to these two. The championships are pretty well given over to these two, and now it's just going to be the brotherly competition of who can beat the other. Obviously, you've got the younger brother Jett with probably more just raw talent, raw speed, and Hunter who has, who knows, maybe the more thoughtful riding, more controlled riding, whatever you want to call it. But it's always fun, especially these two being the up-and-coming talents, the PR, juggernauts that they are, whatever you want to say, Donut Boy and his brother, who everything else. It's going to be fun to see. Like, personally, they're two great riders, so they're not going to be racing each other hard, and you're obviously not going to see any big takeouts for it. But in the comments below, I want to hear your thoughts. Who do you think is going to win overall for the night between the two of them, whatever it is? Are you excited for the East-West shootout? Because normally they're pretty cool. You get, the competition from both sides. You get a little bit better racing compared to East versus just the West kind of thing. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win overall for the night? 450, 250. Who's going to be the better of the two between the brothers? And as you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because playing the YouTube algorithm game, it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to race clean, ideally we both get, good starts and have a good battle. It would be really cool. But yeah, who knows? Obviously, we're in for a good week of this brother versus that brother and all the shenanigans. So yeah, can't wait.
You got him?
What happened last year?